Cardano is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Cardano yesterday, we were testing a very crucial support level here around that 26 cents. You can see we did find a midterm support and then immediately after saw another nice strong bearish engulfing candle breaking below. And I mentioned a few things in that video yesterday. Number one being the fact that these exponential moving averages are continuing pushing lower and lower, as well as the fact that Cardano is still using these levels as a clean rejection pattern. You can see that these EMAs are acting as a very strong resistance point, and we have yet to even see a clean test of the 20 exponential moving average. Usually when you have these levels being played out, we do see a nice wick to the upside, grabbing that liquidity and then the continuation. But as of right now, you can see that we are completely rejecting the 9 exponential moving averages and creating new lower lows. Now, this isn't really a surprise to us because the fact that I mentioned to you guys that if the 28-cent support level is broken, Cardano will be in a massive free fall range. As of right now, the take profit level will be around that 23 cents, which is a daily support bounce back in 2020 from yesterday's video. I mentioned this to you guys, but I'll quickly go and show you guys once again. You can see that Cardano did bounce around that 23 cents. We saw a nice wick opportunity going all the way down here, and then we started the massive run up. Now, of course, if the 23 cents is broken, that is the last possible support we really have before we actually go and capitulate to this major support level here at 13. Looking at the daily time frame, you can see Cardano has been in a massive free fall range from all the way up here at 51, and we have been creating new lower lows, pushing lower and lower and lower. So right now, there's absolutely no reason to be looking for a long position. Ideally, if you are looking for a scalping opportunity at that 23 cents, you could look for a possible wick to the downside and then the continuation, and as well as the fact that we are oversold across every single time frame, so we have to be very careful for that pullback. Now, what I mean by that, of course, is I'm still expecting Cardano to continue pushing lower, but when you're looking for a shorting position, ideally what you're looking for is on these pullback ranges. You can see that every time Cardano tested these major green lines, we had a nice pullback and then the continuation to the downside, as well as the fact that you can see even on the 30-cent level, we had multiple pullbacks before that continuation, but as of right now, we haven't really seen a pullback on 28. This is exactly what I am expecting for that move to hit at 23 cents, see that nice pullback and then the continuation to the downside. But of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we do get a strong bullish candlestick, then we would have to try to break above the 30-cent resistance. Once we break above that level and find it as consolidation, then we can say we are in a possible trend change. But as of right now, things are not looking good for Cardano overall. If you look here on the hourly yesterday, I mentioned the fact that although we are trading above the exponential moving averages, we do not have a clean break of that formation. When you're trading these sort of levels, what you're looking for is a strong break above, followed by that level as support and then a continuation. But you can see that we were in a neutral standpoint, and I mentioned the fact that neutral standpoints are no trade zones. Even as of right now, you can see we did have a nice move to the upside, had that neutral standpoint, and immediately after rejected, and we have been creating these sort of formations continuing pushing on Cardano. So be very, very careful here looking for that long position. Now, I quickly wanted to touch something on the 4 hours, of course, is on these exponential moving averages. I want to be very certain that you guys understand that if we do see a strong bullish engulfing candle and we do see that level retest at 28, in terms of a bullish move set, we would have to find these EMAs kind of find a neutral standpoint, as well as the fact we start to use these levels as support. Otherwise, this will just be a liquidity grab and that continuation. So keep a very close eye on how this 28-cent level plays out. This doesn't mean that this is obviously a guaranteed move set. As long as we continue creating new lower lows, Cardano will continue pushing on lower. So it doesn't have to be the fact that we test at 28 cents. The only reason why I'm mentioning the possibility is because of the fact that we are in extreme oversold conditions. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.